They don't make noise, they don't flaunt power like politicians, but brick by brick, building by building, Igbo billionaires are quietly buying Nigeria. And if you're not paying attention, you'll miss it. From the ashes of the Civil War, the Igbo people have risen through sheer determination, enterprise, and an unbreakable belief in self-reliance. While others rely on government contracts, the Igbo built their empires from motor spare parts, imported goods, and apprenticeship systems. Today, that street hustle has transformed into real estate conglomerates, banking empires, oil firms, and manufacturing giants. But they are not screaming it from rooftops, they are moving quietly, from Banana Island in Lagos to Maitama and Asokoro in Abuja, to massive gated estates in Enugu, Owerri, and even Port Harcourt. Igbo billionaires are acquiring high-value properties at a silent but consistent pace. People like Prince Arthur Eze, Tony Elumelu, Emeka Ofo, Cosmas Maduka, and Innocent Chukwuma are not just businessmen, they're property owners, infrastructure players, and influence holders. You may know them as traders, but many Igbo billionaires now sit on oil blocks, own tank farms, and run export businesses. Allen Onyema's airpiece flies Nigeria's flag internationally, while Cletus Ibeto's Ibeto Group has hands in cement, oil, and auto parts. Some own banks or are major shareholders in them, quietly influencing Nigeria's financial system. Why don't they talk more? Why don't they brag? Simple. The trauma of war, past marginalization, and a desire for peace have made many Igbo billionaires choose silence over attention. They understand Nigeria. They know how attention can breed envy, so they let their assets speak louder than their voices. But there's a twist in the tale. Many of these investments are not in the southeast. Why? Lack of infrastructure, poor security, low political will, unstable electricity supply, and sometimes the fear of political sabotage. So while they continue to build Nigeria, the southeast still begs for development. We want to invest at home, but who will protect our investment? Let Ebonyi, Enugu, Anambra, Abia, and Imo states work together to create investment zones like Lagos did. Now, more than ever, there's a call for Igbo billionaires to return home and turn the southeast into an economic powerhouse. A place where our children don't have to run to Lagos, Abuja, or overseas. Imagine a southeast filled with tech cities, export zones, private universities, modern estates, tourism sites, and industrial hubs. It's possible. The wealth is there. The time is now. They might be quiet, but they are powerful. The Igbo billionaires are not just buying land. They are buying influence, buying the future, and maybe, just maybe, they are silently preparing to own Nigeria.